It's 2026, and if you're still paying $100, $200, even $300 for a single skincare product, you're simply being overcharged. The truth is, the luxury beauty industry thrives on marketing hype and fancy packaging, not superior science. Today on the Glow and Grow Guide, we are pulling back the curtain. I've broken down the chemistry and tested the performance of the most coveted high-end formulas against their shockingly effective Amazon counterparts. I'm revealing 5 Amazon skincare dupes that don't just mimic the best, they actually work better. Prepare to save hundreds of dollars and get better skin. You won't want to miss dupe number 3. It's a dermatologist's secret weapon. First, let's tackle the powerhouse. Vitamin C, the undisputed heavyweight champion, has long been SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic, retailing for a staggering $185. Dermatologists swear by it, and for good reason. It contains L-Ascorbic Acid, a potent form of vitamin C known for brightening and anti-aging. But here is the game changer. The timeless skincare 20% vitamin C plus E Ferulic Acid Serum. An Amazon hero for just $23. The key hook here? Both formulas boast L-Ascorbic Acid, stabilized with vitamin E and Ferulic Acid. But where Timeless excels in its packaging. Unlike SkinCeuticals' dropper bottle, which exposes its volatile formula to air, Timeless uses an airless pump. This means your vitamin C stays active longer, working harder to brighten your complexion without oxidizing into that telltale brownish tint. You're getting superior stability and a higher concentration for over 85% less. Next, the elusive glass skin trend. The holy grail for this is often cited as the SK2 facial treatment essence, costing $147. Its star ingredient, Pitera, is a yeast ferment known for its conditioning properties. Now, meet the Amazon cult favorite, the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% power repairing essence, for a mere $20. Here's the crucial point. While the core ingredients differ, with SK2 using ferment and COSRX utilizing highly purified snail secretion filtrate, the results, that coveted wet, bouncy, glass skin glow, are nearly identical. COSRX offers superior, long-lasting hydration, helps repair the skin barrier, and provides that signature luminous finish without the luxury brand's price tag. It's about visible results, not just fancy origins. Our third dupe is what I call the dermatologist's unspoken favorite. For repairing a compromised skin barrier, the SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore is often recommended, but it comes with a hefty $155 price tag. The Amazon heavyweight contender? The CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream, a drugstore staple for around $15. The compelling hook. Both products are engineered around the Ceramide-Lipid Ratio, the essential building blocks that fortify your skin as a natural protective shield. SkinCeuticals boasts a specific 2:4:2 ratio. CeraVe also packs a powerful punch with 3 essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. The difference? CeraVe is fragrance-free, making it superior for truly sensitive skin types, and its robust formulation provides the same barrier repair benefits for a staggering 88% less. This isn't just a dupe. It's a dermatological powerhouse for pennies. Next, let's talk about the daily essential, sunscreen. The Supergoop. Unseen sunscreen, $54, revolutionized the market with its invisible, primer-like finish. It's a cult favorite for its lack of white cast. But did you know you can get that exact same experience from Amazon? The ISNTREE Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel or the Trader Joe's Daily Facial Sunscreen are both in the $19 range. The undeniable hook. Both of these Amazon dupes perfectly replicate the no white cast and velvet finish. That Supergoop is famous for. They glide on smoothly, absorb quickly, and leave your skin feeling like you just applied a high-end makeup primer. You get broad-spectrum UVA, UVB protection with that luxurious feel, effectively cutting your cost in half or more. Finally, the ultimate first step in any effective routine, the cleansing balm. The Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, beloved for its luxurious texture and scent, will set you back $145. On Amazon, the champions of the double cleanse are the BANILA CEO Clean It Zero or the Heimish All Clean Balm, both retailing for around $16. The standout feature. Both of these Amazon dupes flawlessly transform from a solid, buttery balm into a milky oil, dissolving even the toughest waterproof mascara, longwear foundation, and stubborn SPF without stripping your skin. You get the same effective, satisfying cleanse, leaving your skin soft and clean, but you save over $50 per tub. It's proof that you don't need to splurge to effectively remove your makeup. So there you have it, the proof that Amazon skincare dupes do not just exist. They often outperform their high-end counterparts in 2026. By choosing smart, science-backed alternatives, you are not just saving money. You are investing in superior skincare and your financial grow-up. If this masterclass helped you save hundreds of dollars today, hit that LIKE button and subscribe to the Glow and Grow Guide for more honest reviews and budget-friendly beauty insights. All direct links to these powerful dupes are in the description below, along with my full Amazon storefront. Now go forth, glow beautifully, and grow your wisdom.